check. Go here. Okay, here, and after choose which category you use, press this one and press this one. Okay, and press this one. 1 2 3. Okay, go to next here. Okay, here, done. Okay, done. Here, okay. नेक्स्ट पे आना है, ठीक है ना। नेक्स्ट दबाओ। इधर यूज कर लो। टैप सी। ओके, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट। ठीक है भाई साहब, इधर हर चीज़ कंप्लीट लिखनी है। ये ऐसे ऐसे करके टाइटल लिखना है, ठीक है ना। इसमें कुछ नहीं लिखना, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट। इधर अभी फोटो लोड करनी है। ये इसके बाद don't steal anyone picture. Okay, no steal any man picture. Don't steal any website picture. Take phone with camera, take picture. If you steal picture is big problem. No steal picture. Don't steal any website picture. Take phone with camera. Take that protect picture is fine. It's okay. If it's ugly, it's fine. Don't steal it. Right here, no here. Okay, complete. uh, here.